the oxygen concentrator. First I will unpack the oxygen concentrator. These are the accessories. You get a big long cannula, a small cannula, a warning tip, a user manual, and humidifying bottle with a tube. There is a Allen's key. I will show you the purpose of that. Now, from the handle, you can pull out the oxygen concentrator. First, you have to remove the bolts at the bottom, so for that you make it slip on the table. Here you can see two bolts. These are for the transit purpose to avoid the vibration inside. So I will unscrew this. And the second one is here. Similar way you can unscrew. Now machine is ready to use. Put it into the normal mode. I start the machine. This is the mains cord. This mains cord is 2-pin cord. It can be connected to 230 volt, 50 Hertz main socket. To start the machine, you have to press the start key. The green display comes on. There is a timer setting. With the plus and minus you can set the timer. This is the run time and totalizer, an hour meter. This is a rotameter with which you can adjust the flow of the oxygen. Oxygen comes out from this nozzle. There are safety instructions are also there. And at the back there is an air filter. This is here where the air goes in. This is the serial number of the machine. These are do's and don'ts. Now I will open the filter. This has a coarse filter which you need to clean them, maybe indoor once in a month with running water under the tap. Fix it this way. There is a compressor filter inside. You can see a compressor filter here. By pulling it, you can remove it. So this way you can remove it. This is a compressor filter. And this is it fitting. To refix, you have to put it back inside. So I have fixed the compressor filter. This is a fine dust filter. Now we will start the machine. Now to start the machine, this is a humidifying bottle. There is a maximum and minimum level is mentioned. So you fill the water halfway. Close it. Connect the interconnecting tube. Now it is secured. Insert it in a rubber band. And this insert in this nozzle. So now it is ready to use. Now I'll start the button by pressing the power on switch. You can see the rotameter going on. I'll bring it down. Now I'll show you how to set the timing. By pressing the plus key, it increases the hour, and by pressing negative minus key, it will reduce. So let us set on 10 minutes for example. If patient wants 10 minutes oxygen, you can set it to 10 minutes. You can increase the timing by pressing the plus key. It is set now on 10 seconds. This is the time totalizer. Now this is a cannula. I will show you how to use the cannula. Remove the cannula. Now cannula has a fitting. You can see here a soft fitting, a silicone nozzle which can go in your nose. This way it will go in your nose, and you have to tighten from here. You can tighten it as per your requirement. So this you can insert this way. This way you can insert, bring it to your nose, and from here you can tighten it. This way you can tighten it. And then the other end you can connect here. Now it is connected and oxygen is coming from here. Now I will demonstrate what is the purity of the oxygen. This is oxygen purity meter. Now it is showing the ambient temperature, purity of the oxygen, which is 21%. I will connect it to the outlet from where the oxygen is coming. Slowly the oxygen reading will increase. You can see now it is increasing, and at the same time you can see the flow. I will adjust the flow to 1 LPM. Let us put at the 1 LPM. It is designed for 93% purity. When the flow is low, you get a higher purity. Its purity is ranging between 90 to 93. Now it is coming 95%. Now I will try to increase the flow. Up to 5 LPM you can increase. Generally patient requires between 1 LPM to 2 LPM. But you have to follow the doctor for the flow. Now it is set to 5 LPM. Any purity which is around 93 is good enough for a patient. Now I will show you how to switch off the machine. Now you can also notice that the bubbles are coming. So the oxygen which is coming from here, it is moisturized. Now to stop, either you can press the power button or you can press the main switch. Now you can see the countdown has come down to 7 minutes. So this way it will come down to 0, and eventually it will automatically stop. Now I am switching off. There are some alarms are also there. In case if there is any fault, the alarms will come. In healthy condition, this green light will come on. Now I have switched off the machine. Slowly you can see the bubbles are going down. Rotameter is also come down, and then you can switch off the power. Thank you friends. I hope this is clear. If there is any doubt, you can contact Chemtronics website. You will find a contact number. You can inquire about that. Thank you very much.